Hey fam, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video is to wish our August gentleman a happy birthday and also a happy retirement. So from all August bonds and all staff at Pentecost Hospital, we say happy birthday to you, Edem, and then enjoy your retirement, guys. So enjoy the video. Proudly sponsored by August Finest and supported by our October babies. Plus, in fact, everybody is fat, okay? So enjoy the video. So this is our gentleman here taking an award from Pentecost Hospital, and Dr. Sapon is giving out the award, guys. So this is what we did, guys. Isn't it beautiful? And look at him, 60 years old. May God bless you so much, okay? So some small get together for our papa, our brother, and our friend, Mr. Edem. So guys, enjoy, okay? So this cake, as you see right here, he was the head of laundry department. So as you can see the design from the cake, you need not to be told, okay? So that is how come we got the cake, and then our very own Dr. Razak did the cake for him as well. So here comes the birthday man. He was so happy, he was so excited, and he was so surprised about this, guys. He was so happy. So we'll just leave you guys to watch the video. Kindly comment down below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so and be part of this beautiful and amazing family.
Forgiveness. That will apply to whom you will either forgiveness or forget. But forget they will live by us. And our forgiveness is what? When you live by us, we tell us, hey, the best forgiveness. Forgiveness. Excuse me to say, why young will be an hour of food. For culture and for culture, they say, the culture and I am my fountain is your fashion. We are now culture with your say, the culture fashion. I dear can see your Wakasauka. And you can know that. I'm okay to say, so back your phone, and now we are from catching the dance, and now fashion. Who casts action then? When we say, a or no, a shout. It be yeah. pacho, pacho, another pacho, my way, pacho. Who say, what if you are an hour and I am a would be a DJ Kwan, it's a mobile travel. Watch out, and now dancing up with you know, you better say, if I didn't mind, catch a man say, oh, ma, the pacho pacho, it's almost way sweet, it's almost for worry, and now almost bar. Watch out, and I dancing, or the catching it one, the pacho pacho. And obey, Luke chapter 17, verse 1 to 4.
Luke chapter 17, verse 1 to 4. From the beginning. Jesus said to his disciples, things that cause people to stumble are bound to come, and woe to anyone through whom they come. It will be better for them to be thrown into the sea with a mouse to carve around their neck than to put one of these little ones to you. So watch yourselves. If your brother or sister sins against you, rebuke them, and if they repent, even if they sin against you 7 times, they will pay. And 7 times come back to you saying, repent, you must forgive them. Amen.
Yes, or your bonnet and now your be even 7 times right. So I say, patch me. Nyamia fat chaya, Nanka of the woo, and Maya. That's why the Omukasi Good Friday. Good Friday, you're born near a Nanabi Wamaya, into what they are checking, into no Fua, Fatchem. My example can cry forgive them. Uba, I be now and yet no one woman, no see that. And I'm man, I did my tears say, but I said I will me. And I'm mamma catch me say, I'm sorry. Ubana who was a catcher, so I am sorry. Also, Titino, what did you catch over? Be sorry. But this modern Ghana, to see our best, let's be a catcher over, I'm sorry. And I said, I didn't take your back, and I said, they have your back. These days, no first, no empty side. No fear, our friend, no fear that we were bicycle, and I'm bicycle in PA. In PA, watchman of those days, and yes, security to a watchman. Who's a cry on him? Why is young to say, I will call him? You see, you got idea of one thing. One person will be a gate man, you know, you understand, be a gate man, be PA, and you will be bicycles. In PA, those days, what we had to say, just kidding. We will be that. Because if the Asher them, sir, they have to come, they are called. And the John, I'm sure I didn't say, now let's say again. We say, just kidding. We say, hey, Sunday, a bonus here. So there were 4 boys over there. It's the coca on one arm, 5. It's the bicycle this one. And I'm sure. You sure what happened? I'm sure this happened. We done it in Mupen. You might be in credit. It's different in credit, but we done it in Mupen, man, in the jacket now. Edem, maybe you'll call again. We wait for you. This is our mark, and what we have up to now. Almost about 15 years, mark over. In credit by Bobe Papa. Yes, me Papa. And my mother said, I will see actually. And these days, who for sure, Bassa, hey, one share police station, and social welfare for Baba Flower. And they are not paid. Mr. Man, we get too many say, forgive. Mufan check, Mufan Bibian check, Bibia show one, fat check, Bibi Howard, fat check, and yes, I'll be happy. Excuse me to say, me, airport department beer because Kafa the person in that meeting. Good morning, HR, we are welcome. Ben fa bibi amfa hye mu would bibi show mu a obenya bibi enti me pese obi afa bibi ahye ne mu enya bibi mi kamase nyame nhira mu amen nyame nya mama mo kwantenten amen enya honten amen anope ma asem nyina me dia mama ni o Yesu Kristo bi amen.